In the second part of the assignment, you'll be given a picture of a large array. The large array represents a large multiplication fact that you need to solve. You can choose whichever way you want to split up that large array into two smaller arrays, or two smaller multiplication facts. In this example, I'm solving for 6 times 6 because there are 6 rows and 6 columns. I chose to split it up so that I have 5 as my factor in one of my smaller multiplication facts. So one of my small arrays has to have 5 columns. It looks something like this. So I have one small array here, and then an even smaller array over here. Let's set up the equation so that I can find out what 6 times 6 is equal to. 6 times 6, my large multiplication factor, my large array, is equal to these two smaller multiplication facts that I got. One of them is 6 times 5, 6 rows and 5 columns. And then the other one is 6 times 1. Notice how for all of the arrays, I have the same number of rows. But because I split it vertically, my columns are different. But I know that my large array has 6 columns, and then my two smaller arrays have columns that add up to 6. One has 5 columns and the other has 1 column. So this is the first step in setting up the equation. I'm still looking for 6 times 6. But now I know the answer to my small array. 6 times 5 is skip counting by 5, 6 times. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Look how easy that was because it's easy to skip count by 5s. 6 times 1 is 6 because whenever a number is multiplied by 1, I know that I need to get the number back. My last step will give me the answer to 6 times 6. I just add the total of the two, or the answer to the two small multiplication facts, 30 and 6, to get 36. You'll have 3 problems to solve on your own. Please refer to this example if you need help or stop by office hours.